Hey guys, I haven't been posting lately, but we got ourselves a shop. We got a Tesla on the hoist that needs fixing, so let's get to it. For tools, you don't need much. You need an 8mm, 10mm, Torx T25, a trim removal tool for the clips. You need a 6mm drill, and we're about to talk about that later. A lamp could come in handy, and one of these things with a 10mm on it. It will make your job a lot easier.
Only took one look and I was falling. I knew it from the moment that I saw. Ocean not so deep that I could fall in. I didn't care about all of your flaws, and I dream about you from time to time. Then wake up thinking that you're still mine. I look across and expect to see your face, then remember you're 1,000 miles away. I've drifted out to sea. All the nights we danced away till morning. I miss the days that it was you and me. And I dream about you from time to time. Then wake up thinking that you're still mine.
So guys, halfway there. So what we're going to do now is to improve the construction of the new one we're installing, so we don't have the same issue again with water. So what we're going to do is, on the bottom of the connector, this is how a EU socket looks like, 13 pin. So what we're going to do is, in the bottom of the connector, we're going to drill a hole, a 6mm hole, so the water can run through somewhere and doesn't stay inside of the brand new connector we're going to install. Now it's like the reversed order from here. It's good looking perfect. To be honest, guys, don't be stupid like me. I have a friend or colleague to help you with this stuff. A lot easier than doing it yourself. Just a quick tip. If you enjoy this video, hit that like button, and if you're into more car repairs, fault finding and things like that with me, you should consider subscribing. Now go out to your garage or your workshop and make an impact.